Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the world of smartphone accessories, focusing on one of the hottest devices on the market, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra.
But what's a smartphone without the perfect case to match?
That's where our spotlight shines today.
Join me as we explore what could arguably be the best Samsung Note 20 Ultra case for women available right now. Now, let's talk about the J.west Galaxy Note 20 Ultra case.
This luxurious accessory isn't just any ordinary phone case. It's a blend of style, protection, and functionality, tailored specifically for the modern woman. Crafted with precision, this case is designed to fit the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G like a glove. Its slim, lightweight profile maintains the sleekness of your device while providing all-around protection from scratches, bumps, and everyday wear and tear.
What sets this case apart is its opulent opal sparkle glitter pearly luster pattern, adding a touch of elegance and femininity to your device. Whether you're heading to a business meeting or a night out with friends, this case effortlessly complements your personal style. Let's delve into some key features that make this case a standout choice. First off, the material.
Made from flexible thermoplastic polyurethane (TPU), using IMD in mold decoration technology, this case ensures durability without compromising on style. The print remains vivid over time, never fading, ensuring your device stays looking as vibrant as ever. Despite its robust protection, the case maintains an ultra-thin and ultra-light profile.
You'll hardly notice it's there, yet it provides excellent grip, reducing the risk of accidental drops.
In conclusion, if you're in the market for a Samsung Note 20 Ultra case that combines style, protection, and functionality, look no further than the J.west Galaxy Note 20 Ultra case.
It's not just a phone accessory. It's a statement piece that reflects your individuality. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, stay stylish and stay protected.